Some of the people that you may know in your life seem like they can manipulate the space-time continuum and how productive they are. I was just hearing from a friend of mine the other night that he works with a guy who's always the first one into the office, the last one out of the office. He makes time for exercise every day. He makes time for co-writing because he's a songwriter and a musician every evening, and he goes to bed and he wakes up and he repeats the same schedule. The reason this man is so successful is because he's gotten himself into these healthy habits and routines. So he's not only very energetic, very productive, and very positive, but he also accomplishes exponentially more on a daily basis than most human beings. So if you want to learn how you can seem to add more time to your day, all you have to do is a couple very simple things. Make sure that you shut off the TV screen, your laptop, and stop looking at your phone within an hour before bedtime. It's been shown in testing that the backlighting on all of these devices actually stimulates parts of our brain to keep thinking even when we're trying to shut down. So this can be a reason why you may have trouble going to bed at night. Next, build in some ways that you can start winding down for bed, whether that's taking a hot shower, a hot bath, or reading a book, or maybe just simply laying down on the couch and listening to some music to wind down. Whatever it may be, start building in some calming activities into your evening schedule so that you can get ready for bed and start relaxing your mind. Next, make sure that you pick out a designated bedtime. And all you really have to do to get a lot more time out of the day is go to bed a half an hour or an hour earlier than you normally would so that you can make sure that you have plenty of sleep. And then you can wake up a half an hour or an hour earlier so that you can knock out your 15-minute morning exercise routine and have plenty enough time to eat breakfast, get cleaned up, and get your day started off on the right foot. So these simple changes in your evening routine can dramatically affect your morning routine. This can also help your sleep quality, which will naturally improve your energy and help you naturally lower your stress levels. So take these habits and start implementing them into your schedule. See if tonight you can set back your clock so that you can get into bed a little bit earlier and start relaxing a little bit earlier. See if you can shut off the screens, do a little bit of reading, take a hot bath or a hot shower, and ease into the night so that you can relax before you go to sleep.